Hey, welcome back. Do you know that main difference between these three terms, copyright, trademark and patent, these intellectual properties? Do you know what is the meaning and what is the difference between this? If no, then this video is definitely for you. You will learn in this video what is the meaning of these three terms and what is the basic difference between all these three. So keep watching this video till the end. Before to know the basic difference between these three, we need to understand what is intellectual property. As we know, we have physical property, we register it like houses or cars, we have their registry, right? We have their license. Similarly, the things which is obtained through this mind, through this brain, just like invention, discoveries, methods, how we can register these things. So these all things which have relation from intelligence of your mind, these are called intellectual properties. So how you can register these things? These things should be registered by these three terms, basically meant for copyright, trademark and patent. Now we'll understand what are these three things. Then we configure what is the main difference between these all things. Let's talk about copyright. Have you read many books and many movies? These all have copyrights. The copyright basically means whatever the representation of the content of any book or a movie cannot have the similar thing as it has to any of other similar type of movies or books. You have noticed in many books it's written copyright content or this book is copyrighted, which means no other book have the permission to use that book in a similar way as it is, in a similar representation as it is. Or this is what copyright is. Now we'll talk about what is trademark. What actually trademark is? Trademark means for names, logos, symbols of any company. You know, Reebok, Adidas and many other this kind of companies have their name and symbol, trademark, right? And many other different companies which sell their products in the name of these trademark symbols. But you wonder how it can be possible, because they put their names, their trademarks to their product, they need to pay whatever the charge trademark owner has put on. Now we talk about what is patent. Patent files can only applicable on items or innovations or inventions which have no similarity or nothing relation with already invented, discovered or implemented. If you have something new which is totally different from whatever it is there in this world by somebody else, then you can patent file this. Patent validity is about 20 to 30 years, depends on the country. So as we see, many innovations, many inventions are discovered every day, and these all have files patent. Why? Because they don't want their invention to be copied by others or used by others. But if they use, they have to pay you a charge for whatever you opt for, right? So we understand what are the three basic difference between these three terms, patent, copyright and trademark. Now also learn what is these are. So hope you like this video. Then please hit like button, share this video and also subscribe. Thank you.